Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Ilya's World. Today my project is Translate app using Coda.org app lab. Let's move on to the video. Let's move on to the design part. In Translate app, I have used one screen in design. In label 1, write the name of the language in which you want to translate hello. In label 2, say hello. The empty box is the text input language, button translate and button reset. Let's move on to the coding part. Starting the code with on event, clicking button translate. Variable x is equals to hello. Variable language is equals to get text input language. If language is equals to Spanish, x is equals to hola. If language is equals to French, x is equals to salud. If language is equals to Hindi, x is equals to namaste. Language is equals to Arabic, x is equals to ahlan. Language is equals to Tamil, x is equals to vanakkam. Language is equals to Chinese, x is equals to ni hao. X is equals to hello. One more on event. Clicking the button reset, set text input language. That's all. Let's play and run.
Oh